Aqua friends. Today I have a very simple beginner's level beach tutorial for you. This is very short, it doesn't take long to paint at all, and I am working the first layer wet on wet. I'm doing the sand with some yellow ochre. And I want to create some texture, so I have some yellow ochre, a little bit of browns, and I'm using a toothbrush in order to splatter some texture in there. Now, working with my pretty peacock blue, I'm putting the ocean in there, and you do want to overlap some of the tans that we did, and you'll get this very beautiful translucent waterline. So notice I'm adding in some more of those yellows while I'm putting in my ocean colors. I also used some marine blue. It's my favorite color. I just love turquoise, and this is a fun project to do. So in order to help along to move the pigment while it's still wet, you can hold it at an angle and it'll blend quite nicely. Now, some areas on the sand where there are some seashells, I just lifted with a piece of paper towel. I'm using the same color mixture, just a little stronger, to draw in my starfish. And I also added some ISO Yellow Deep to get the texture and the inner parts of the starfish that are darker. Once your paper is drier, you can add some more detail to the starfish. But notice I have kept everything really light and soft. Well, you let your whole paper dry and then you can put in the shadows of the starfish. And for this, I just used a very watery mixture of neutral tint. There are a few sticks on the beach that I'm adding in as well and putting those shadows. Darkening up a few of the details of the starfish so they pop up a little bit more in the composition. And that is all. It's super simple, it's fun, very low stress, just so fun playing with these gorgeous colors. Thanks a lot for watching today. If you guys like my style of artwork, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. That will really help me out. Hope you leave some comments and let me know if you're going to try this tutorial. See you soon.